Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Leadpages landing page builder, my conversion optimization experience. Leadpages landing page builder is a service designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create high-converting landing pages. It's aimed at anyone looking to improve their online marketing efforts, from small businesses to larger corporations. Key features include a drag-and-drop builder, a library of pre-designed templates, and various integrations with other marketing tools. Their website provides details on different pricing tiers to suit various needs. They emphasize ease of use and speed of creation, highlighting how quickly users can build and deploy a landing page. Leadpages aims to simplify the often complex process of landing page creation, making it accessible even to those without coding experience. They also boast A/B testing features for optimization. You can check out their website for more on availability and pricing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Leadpages landing page builder. Getting started was incredibly easy. After signing up, the onboarding process walked me through the basics and I had a simple landing page up and running in under an hour. The drag-and-drop interface is genuinely intuitive. I could easily add different elements like text boxes, images, and videos, and arrange them exactly how I wanted. I specifically tested building a landing page for a hypothetical online course, and I was impressed by how easily I could integrate an email opt-in form. Performance-wise, the pages I created loaded quickly and looked great on both desktop and mobile. I did have a quick question about integrating with my email marketing platform, and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to track key metrics like conversion rates. The standout feature for me was definitely the vast template library. It saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of more advanced customization options for some elements, which might be a limitation for experienced web designers. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for A/B testing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Leadpages and I'd recommend it to anyone looking to easily create and optimize landing pages without needing to learn code. That's my overview of Leadpages landing page builder, my conversion optimization experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.